How to fix error code 0x80244022 on Windows 10. Case Study 1, Error code 0x80244022 when updating Windows 10. Here's some tips that may help you fix error code 0x80244022 when updating Windows 10. 1. Run System File Checker, command, sfc/scano, and dism, commands, dism/online/cleanupimage/check health, dism/online/cleanupimage/scan health, dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, as admin. 2. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Plan the troubleshooting steps provided on this link. Fix Windows Update errors at http://bit.ly/2al5zln. 3. Disable your antivirus or firewall temporarily. 4. Disable proxy in Windows 10 settings or disconnect your Windows 10 from some VPN server. 5. Reset the Windows Update, http://bit.ly/2tkjagi. 6. Reset WinSock, commands, netshare WinSock reset, restart your computer later. Note, if you are using IPv4, use netshare int IPv4 reset. If you use IPv6, type netshare int IPv6 reset instead. 7. Run your Windows 10 in its safe mode, http://bit.ly/2azqqg3. Go into c:\windows/soft twa redistribution /download and delete everything in that folder. Run the command prompt. As an administrator, type in wowcl.exe/update now. Go to your control panel Windows Update. 8. Check your PC. Date and time, right-click the clock in the tray and select Adjust Date and Time. Verify and correct the month, day, year, and time. Reboot. 9. Try updating your Windows 10 later, Microsoft Update Server may be too busy. 10. Restart your computer and try updating your Windows 10 later. 11. Install the updates manually, go to Microsoft Update Catalog at http://bit.ly/2d3scro. 12. Open Registry Editor. Go to hkey_local_machine software policies Microsoft Windows Update O. Create a reg_d word key and name it use WU server if a similar key does not exist. For WSUS, Windows Server Update Services, users, set the value of the key to 1. For non-WSUS users, set the value of the key to 0. 13. Reset your Windows. Case Study 2, got error. (0x80244022) when installing and updating apps. 1. For Windows Phone users, run Windows Device Recovery Tool at http://bit.ly/2eqhf40. Disclaimer, after running Windows Device Recovery Tool, it removes everything in your phone including your apps, games, texts, call history, music, and photos. We suggest you to take a backup of your phone. 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter Internet Connections Troubleshooter Network Troubleshooter. 3. Select the automatic detect settings. Disable any active proxy server checkbox in IE11. 4. Perform a clean boot to troubleshoot a problem in your Windows. 5. Run the following commands as admin: netstop cryptsvcmd system root /system 32 /catro2.old scopy system root /system 32 /catro2 system root /system 32 /catro2.old /s netstop wowserv cd system root ren software distribution.old net start wowser 6. Reset Windows Store by running wsreset.exe. 7. Refresh your PC without affecting your files. 8. Try uninstalling and reinstalling the problematic app later. 9. Soft and hard reset your Windows Phone, http://bit.ly/2ee2sgy. Last but not least, if you're using a virtual machine and using a proxy connection, please post your query in the TechNet forum at http://bit.ly/2d48d7l.